Hi guys, today we're going to see how you can use AnyDesk on your computer and mobile phone. Let's say you have a computer and you want to connect to another computer at a different place and control this device right from your computer. You can do that by using AnyDesk. So in this video, we're going to see how you can use AnyDesk and access any computer like this. Now all you need to do is to get the AnyDesk address of this computer and you can start operating it using the AnyDesk software on your computer. It's that easy. Next, you'll also be able to send and receive files from your computer to this computer, also chat with this person on this computer and provide assistance or fix issues on their computer. Now the best part is that you can also easily install AnyDesk on your mobile phone so you can connect with any computer and access the files you want anytime with just a mobile in your hand. Okay, so all you need to have is a working computer and an internet connection to connect to any computer in the world. I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's get started. So first, let's see how you can connect to another computer which is in a remote place. Now to connect to another computer, first we need to install the AnyDesk app. So to get it, just click the link below this video
and it will take you to this page. Now here, click download and you can see that our file has been downloaded. Once you have downloaded it, we can now go ahead, launch AnyDesk and then start using it. So just click here and as you can see, we have got the AnyDesk application. Now this is the unique address of our computer. So anyone who wants to connect to your computer needs this number. And similarly, you need the AnyDesk address of the other computer to which you want to connect to. So make sure AnyDesk is launched on a computer you want to connect. Once you have launched AnyDesk on both the computers, we can now connect to the remote computer. So to connect to the computer, just enter the AnyDesk address of the remote computer. Press enter. Now it will ask the remote user the permission to use their computer. And if they click accept, they will be connected to the remote computer. And as you can see, we are now able to view the screen of the remote computer. So now you can start using the remote computer and view any content you want on it like this.
So this is how you can connect to a remote computer and access it. Okay, now once you have connected to a remote computer, you can also share files with the remote computer and chat with the remote user. So let's see them one by one. First, let's see how you can share files between your computer and the remote computer.
So to share files, all you have to do is just click here and you'll get a page like this where you can access all the files on both the computers. Now this is the computer that we are using and this is the remote computer that we are accessing. So to transfer the files from this computer to the remote computer, just select the file you want to transfer and here select the location where you want to transfer the file. Then click upload on your computer and as you can see, the file has been uploaded. So now if we go to that location from the remote computer, you can see that we have got the file.
So this is how you can transfer files with the remote computer. Okay, now let's say you're helping another person to solve an issue and you want to give some instructions. How can you communicate with them? Next, let's see how you can use the chat option.
So to use the chat option, just click here and here enter the message you want to send. Then press enter and the message will be sent to the remote computer. We'll see a message like this on the remote computer and now the remote user can reply to this message. Okay, so this is how you can use the chat option to communicate with the remote computer.
Okay, now once you have connected with the remote computer using the AnyDesk address, only you can access the remote computer and they cannot access yours. So let's say you want to show the remote user how the application works on your computer or let them access your computer without switching off the current session. You can do that by giving access to the remote user to use your computer. So next, let's see how you can change access between your computer and the remote computer. So to switch the access,
just click here, click switch sides and you will get this dialog box. Now click OK and you can see that the access has been changed and the remote user can now access this computer.
Okay, next, let's see how to record your session while connected to a remote PC. Now this will be useful while resolving an issue which you can share to a new user if the same issue happens again. So to record your session with a remote PC,
just click here and the recording will be started. So once you have done your work, again you can just click here to stop the recording and the recording will be saved. So to see it, just click here, click session recordings, and here you can see that we have got the recording. So let's open it. And you can see the session we just recorded.
Okay, this is how you can record your session on AnyDesk. So now you know how you can connect to a remote computer and use all the features. Now let's say you have a computer at home or office and you want to access it from some other place, but you don't have the AnyDesk address of that computer. How can you access the computer? So next, let's see how you can connect to a remote computer without the help of the remote user. Now this will be helpful when you want to access your office computer from your home without anyone's help. So to do that, we need to enable unattended access and then set up a password for it. So to do it,
let's go to remote PC, click here and click set password. Here, enable unattended access and then set up the password for the access. I'm going to set up my password and click apply. So now we have successfully enabled the unattended access, which means we can now access this computer using the number and the password which we have set from any computer anytime we want. So to check it, let's connect from a remote computer. So just enter the address of the computer with unattended access and press enter. Now here, you need to enter the password which you have set for that computer. I'm going to enter the password which I have set and click OK. As you can see, we are successfully connected to the remote computer without the need for approval from the remote user. Okay, next, let's see how you can connect to a remote computer using your mobile phone. So to access to a remote computer from the mobile, first, we need to install the AnyDesk app on our mobile. Now AnyDesk is available for both Android and iOS. So install the app based on your device model. Once you have installed the AnyDesk app on your mobile, we can now connect to a remote computer using our phone. So to connect it, open the app and here enter the AnyDesk address of the computer which you want to access. Then click here. And now if they click accept, you can see that we have got the access of the computer through our mobile phone. And you can access all the files on this computer just like we did before.
So this is how you can connect to a remote computer using your mobile phone. Okay, so now you know how to use AnyDesk and its different features. Now AnyDesk is free for personal use and offers a limited set of features and support. So only with the premium plan, the session timing, the recording is unlimited and all the features will be accessible. And also, there are features that are only available with the premium plan.
So the first feature is Wake to LAN. This feature lets you wake your PC from sleep or boot it up to access your files anytime you want. And the next feature is Privacy Mode, which lets you to turn off the screen of the remote PC so you can work without anyone seeing your content on the other end.
So to get the premium plan, just click the link below this video. And here, you can choose any plan based on your need. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can use AnyDesk to access a remote computer. Now if you want to know how to use TeamViewer, you can watch this video. And subscribe to Website Learners for more videos like this one. So thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.